What's up, investors? Today's video is going to be about Gilat Satellite Networks, ticker symbol GILT. We're going to cover a lot in the video, so stick around to the very end. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. An early thumbs up really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. It should be noted I'm not a financial advisor. You should do all your own research. It's ultimately your decision whether you want to buy any of the stocks I talk about on this channel. And let's talk stocks down below in the comment section. Today's video, I'm excited about this one. Gilat Satellite Networks, ticker symbol GILT. It also trades under ticker symbol GILT on the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange. It is currently trading at $15.70 per share. We're coming off of pretty disappointing earnings, so I think this could be a pretty good time to get in. The company was trading just $22 just last week, and just like anything else, I believe any reaction in the stock market is an overreaction. One of those kids say that on YouTube, and he's right about that. So it's a pretty big dump off, 20% like that. It's a big sell off for an earnings that really wasn't even that bad. And this company has a lot of exciting prospects, lots I'm going to cover in this video. Big opportunity, and with that, consider this is a lot of speculation. A lot of ifs, a lot of moving parts, but the upside here is huge. But with that, there's going to be some risk associated. Just right off the bat, this is held in ARK Invest Israeli Fund. I've been talking lately on my live streams about how I wanted to focus and pay attention to that ETF. There's some interesting reading material going around about how fascinating the startups are out of Israel, considering the resources and where they're located, and the startup boom. It's like the top per capita, and I'm assuming that's why ARK Invest dedicates an entire ETF to it, to Israel, or companies out of Israel. But I feel like it's kind of like overlooked a little bit, and some great companies are in that ETF, and I plan on trying to find some of them. This kind of fits that description. If you don't know what Gilat Satellite Networks is, it is a leading global provider of satellite-based broadband communications. With 30 years of experience, they design, manufacture cutting-edge ground segment equipment and provide comprehensive solution and end-to-end services. There's a couple things that I find particularly attractive about this company and its current state. First and foremost, it's a world leader in satellite communications, innovative ground equipment, and technology. It's mobile cellular backhaul for 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. This could also be used for mobility, sea, land, connecting airplanes, connecting defense, satellite backhaul, and broadband connectivity. Is a lot of value, underserved market, really interesting. Is their customer base. Look at this customer base, and I'm gonna speculate 1 second. They have over 300 customers, 500 networks in over 90 countries. So this is the definition of international. A lot of opportunity and revenue, and consider keep Starlink in the back of your head, because as that unfolds, there could be a lot more opportunity. I wanted to discuss. Look at those system integrators. You know what this tells me? If you look here, Boeing's really involved in urban air mobility, and so is Airbus. So that tells me that they're positioning themselves not only for now but in the future to be connected with electric vertical takeoff and landing. I know that's speculative, but I know Boeing's very involved, and so is Airbus. So those are already underway. I look for more partnerships. So that's almost like telling you we're projecting forward, and we're going to have value and continue to have value and be innovative. But what's really fascinating to me is right here. One of the integrators is Lockheed Martin. That is a defense contractor and one of the biggest. ARK has been buying up a lot of Lockheed Martin lately. ARK has also been buying up a lot of Honeywell, and you see as well that this is also a systems integrator. So really exciting customers, and that really started piquing my interest right when I got here, and thinking of all the possibilities that this can go, especially with the electric vertical takeoff and landing, the flying cars. They're a world leader in cellular backhaul over satellite. Look at this. Market leader with 44% market share in modem shipments. That's very, very attractive. And when you take a look as well, this is with a growing total addressable market, right? I mean, the industry is expected to grow to almost $6 billion by 2029, with end-to-end solutions and recurring revenue from T-Mobile, Southern Link, and Globe. Really fascinating, good opportunity, 44% market share, right? In a growing market, great position to be in. Even if people cut into that market share a little bit, the market's growing so big, that puts them in a good position to really increase revenue in this one little area. And this is only in the satellite, backhaul market. Remember, the real, and again, I think this is most valuable in the to defense, military. I think big government contracts are going to come, and seeing a integrator like Lockheed Martin really gives me conviction there, especially at this price. Remember, this just got beaten down. If I can get in this Monday morning at close to the price it's at right now, I'm going to pounce all over this and possibly swing it a little bit, maybe take some profits as it gets back. But I'm considering this as a long-term investment. I see a big opportunity here, and I'm really excited to see how all this plays out. The last thing that I wanted to talk about, the last big growth driver, and again, there's a lot to cover in this company. If you start to do your own DD as well, you're going to see that I'm only highlighting the really important things, the most attractive things. There are several other little deals that they're working on, and a lot going on. But this right here, I found to be one of the bigger growth drivers. If you look here with Peru Prenatal Projects, it's a $2 billion program to build terrestrial networks across Peru. 6 regions were awarded to Gilat. That's expected to be $548 million, $333 million construction revenue, and $215 million in operational revenue over 10 years. That's target recurring revenues of greater than $50 million per year by the end of 2022. That is an excellent sign for investors. That's an excellent sign that things are really starting to pick up. And again, you got to remember, this was just trading at $22 a share and took a 20% hit for bad earnings. Despite this kind of information, I was looking at this and I felt like it was a little bit overpriced lately, and I continued to do my DD, and now I feel like this is a pretty good opportunity at this price. Under $16 a share, I'm ready to pounce. And I'm excited. Let me know what you think of the video. Please, if you're still watching, please smash that like button. Follow me on Twitter at MJF_invest. This is a little bit quicker for me to get an idea out there when I could just type it. I've been eyeing this stock up for quite some time, and I've talked about it quite a bit in my live streams and on Twitter. So you would have already been doing your DD, and you kind of would have known that this was coming if you were following me on Twitter. So make sure you follow me there. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for future content, share the content, let somebody know. I really think that this is a pretty good channel, man. I'm proud of the work. I'm proud of the research. I'm proud of the message. So pass the message along. I think it's time, to really start growing. And you guys have been great with me so far. So, need your help. Pass the word. Share the information on social media. Tag MJF Invest on Twitter, and just let people know, what's going on over here. I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.